Good day, everybody. Today we're going to do lesson plan 4. It's again a revision lesson, and it's grade 2, term 2. So here you have the CAPS link, so you can pause here anytime. Then we're going to scroll to the resources in the dictionary. Here again, you're going to pause. You're going to go through your resources so you can plan and prepare, and then your dictionary word for today. Then we're going to go to the daily routine, the counting, and the mental mathematics. By now, you know how to do it. So the daily routine, you're going to ask your questions. The counting, remember all the different aspects of it, your objects, your representative level things that you can find, or objects that you can find on SA Teacher eStore.co.za counting library. And then you're going to do the rhyme, and then you're going to ask questions. Then you're going to move to mental maths. You're going to ask the questions. Remember, the thinking is around expanded notation, our decimal system. You're going to ask it orally, and where the child is getting stuck, you're going to ask them how did they get the answer, so you can understand how did they try to calculate it. So I want you to pause and then do these activities. Then what we're going to do today is you're going to show this picture to your child, and you're going to ask them, why do you think we're going to use these objects today? So you're going to show them cups, some counters, some coins, some notes, some beads, and we have some blocks here. So just a general conversation as an introductory activity. I'm going to go then here. You can then pause and you can read through this. Again, this all links to the CAPS document. These are some ideas, but on the next page, I'm going to go a bit more in detail. So here again for today is we already did some counting activities. Today we're going to work with coins. We're going to recognize coins. You can always go to SA Teacher eStore, where we have an app where you can do electronic activities that's based on money, or you can contact us at info@sateacher.co.za to give you some printed money that you can print, not real money. These are made by an excellent artist that you can use. You can print it, or you can just show it on the screen to your child. Then what we're going to do is we're going to solve some money problems. You will find those in your worksheets. Then again is, remember our counting forwards and backwards. You can use your number boards again, where we're going to count in ones, tens, and twos. Remember, practice makes perfect. And then we're going to estimate, and the focus is then on length. Remember, here again with the length, and all the activities on this side we do with practical resources. Here we make use of drawings, or we make a drawing. So here's then your worksheet. So you can complete these worksheets, follow it, look at the pictures. I'm just scrolling through it. Here we got some measurement activities. You're going to estimate. You're going to actually measure. If you need to make a worm, just copy this on a tiny little piece of cardboard and then do your measurements. Remember, always after estimation, we need to measure so we can check the difference, so we can every time get a bit closer to the real measurement. Then the problem solving, it's based on term 1. So you need to revise what was done in term 1, and then you're going to go do your consolidation. Remember again, is if you don't have all green faces, you need to revisit, revise, or you need to contact us at SA Teacher.